In this video, we will talk about how to effectively use uploads. Let's jump right into it. When uploading pictures, before hitting the upload button, we can tag photos, and this way we can easily find them later. For this example, I already have the photo I'd like to upload selected, and now I'm going to add the tag. And for this example, we're going to tag it as Audi A8. And then we'll hit upload. Now, whenever you'd like to create a proposal and add that photo, you'll simply create new proposal, click on archive, you'll search the tag, and then here is your photo. You'll hit select, save files, and then you can add the rest of your information for your solution, save the solution, and send to your client. And this is how you can effectively use uploads.